Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about how can we disconnect earbud to our Redmi phone. Friends, you have connected any earbud like this the little earbud guys you have connected with your phone, and friends you want to disconnect. And how to disconnect today I will show you in this video friends. So we will talk about how to disconnect earbud to our phone. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting, then guys scroll it. As you can see phone bluetooth setting, guys click on phone bluetooth setting. As you can use your bluetooth setting from here guys, you can on, you can off from here. As you can see guys, this TWS guys earbud we have connected, and guys we want to disconnect, so guys tap here and friends click on this unpair option. Guys tap here and it will disconnect to your phone, and guys we will off our phone bluetooth. So if you want to disconnect your earbuds of, you can disconnect to your phones like that. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet a next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.